Well, good morning. It's Friday, the 19th of July. We're looking better today. Markets are up today. Grains are up. Cotton's up. As I look at the board, as a matter of fact, of all the markets we watch, everything is up. So we're getting a collective bounce today as far as anything new, any news, not really anything substantial. I think we've just gotten cheap enough in some of these markets we're starting to see buying, and that seems to be more the story than anything. Cotton is has recently made a new 3-year low. The strange thing about cotton is the volume is very low. Speculators are obviously at historically low, historic short levels, which means the market's getting oversold. And even though the speculators are heavily short, they continue to sell, but the amount they can sell is starting to slow down. At the same time, commercials are not selling, farmers are not selling, and up until recently, or so far in recent weeks, the mills are not buying. So everybody seems to have backed away from the table in dealing in cotton. But there's enough speculative selling to push this thing down. Eventually, when markets get this oversold in any market, you can see a substantial rally just created by short covering in a market where too many people have gotten into the boat. And is this that market? Is this the time? I don't know that. You can't find many people anywhere that would tell you anything good about cotton, and that by itself is probably enough that we can see a good bounce. And that's what it would be. It would be a bounce off short covering. We're trading right now at 62.47, up 76. The high is 62.55. The low is 61.67. A bounce towards 65, a bounce towards 67. That's the general range we could see this market firm back up to. And it might prove an area that some people that deal with options might want to take some downward protection, because longer term, the talk still is 55 is possible, 55 to 57, up to 60. And so if you can get enough of a bounce, it might be worthwhile taking a look at doing something. So let's just take a look at where we are. The stock markets globally are mostly higher, although not dramatically. We've seen more talk about a Fed rate cut, maybe as much as 0.5%. Each day we seem to get more talk about that. Trade talk continues. We had a phone conversation among top officials representing our country and China yesterday. Nothing's been released from that, but at least there are some talks taking place. All right, let's look at where we are. We've mentioned cotton. Soybeans are up 8 at 906 3/4, 907, high of 907.5, low of 897 1/4. We've got corn up 2 with December at 431 3/4. The high is 433 3/4. The low is 428.5. September wheat is up 2.5 at 496. The high of 498 3/4. The low of 492.5. Crude oil is up 72 cents a barrel at 56.02. The dollar's up 23. Gold is up 11. Silver's up 22. And the stock market right now, the Dow Jones Futures Index is trading up 80 at the moment. That's it. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.